everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're at another community garden in Dallas, Texas. This is Gardeners and Community Development at www.gardendallas.org. Like I said in one of the other videos, these community gardens are very good at fast tracking you on the way as far as learning. Because here, you don't just focus on one plant, or you don't just focus on one method in growing or gardening. There's people here that have different ideas that are successful, with their ideas. So no idea is really greater than the other. It's what works best for your current situation. So I'm going to give you guys a tour. This is a really nice community garden here. This is actually I believe it's a church. I'm not exactly sure. I wish I had the name of this community garden. I don't see the name anywhere, but if I see it, I will let you guys know. But actually, there's a little banner right here, and it says www.gardendallas.org. Community gardening in Dallas. Gardeners and Community Development. So, let me walk you guys around. So I'm gonna walk over here first. I believe this garden also has chickens in the back. So I walk in. As you can see, they have many raised beds here. With these community gardens, they really thrive off the people giving a helping hand, because, ooh, look at that tomato. Wow, it's growing up tall. Wow, it's pretty. Look at those, look at that right on there. Hope I got it so where you can see it. See those tomatoes? But yeah, they really thrive off people helping them because it takes a lot of upkeep of a garden. This is some zucchini over here, same thing I was growing in mine. They have theirs a lot closer. I was thinking I needed 3-foot separation, but theirs are more so like about, wow, just a few inches apart. Okay, so maybe I was onto something when I did mine like that. So we may have to reconsider doing that, because I put mine at 3 feet apart, all the way around, and just to give them some space. And so everybody doesn't do vegetables. Some of them, they just like to come out here and see the pretty flowers, the decorative flowers, sunflowers and all of the perennial flowers. Look at those beans down there. Bean plant. Some more squash right there. Right now, squash and tomatoes are really good to grow right now. That's why every garden I go to, everybody's growing a lot of squash. What is that? Is that cabbage? I'm not exactly sure, but it looks mighty good. Wow. See, it's good to come to other gardens because you get an idea of, you get inspired. I'm inspired. Let me kind of speed this video up. I don't want to take too much time. I would at least like to show y'all. I believe that's wheat right there. People are growing wheat. Wow. Now I believe that is cabbage. I believe either cabbage or lettuce. You can see it forming right in there. It's forming the head right down in there. We'll keep walking. You see they got a chicken coop back here. A fairly nice sized chicken coop too. I don't see any chickens out right now. Oh, they're down there. All the way back in and out there under the tree. A few of them are, look like that most of them are inside from the heat. All right, so let's walk over to the other area. We'll walk under the pergola, go check out their rain collection system. Very nice rain collection system, by the way. I know I came out here about a year or so ago and they had fresh fruits. We were just picking them and eating them. I think it was plums they had. Fresh plums. They got some kind of sprouts coming up right there. Let's see, what does that say? Spinach. No, Spanish spice. So I'm guessing this is a pepper plant. Yep, pepper's already on there. Let's see if I can get that on camera. Let's go down a little bit. There's a little pepper right there. Yep. So this is the canopy area. I like how they have the natural wood holding the supports, you know. I like how they have the natural wood on here, hold the supports of this thing. And you see they have a big rainwater collector. That's probably 300 gallons. Or maybe even 500 gallons of rainwater. Then they have a little small, looks like a 50 gallon. So they have all this piping going down. Comes right off that gutter. Look at that. Uh-huh. Ooh, look at that squirrel. So they have that the rain system coming right down, coming off that PVC, and it's going down in the PVC pipe, and it's going right into the top of that, right into the top right up there. So when you come to these gardens, you get a lot of good ideas. We're gonna walk over here. Looks like got some potatoes someone harvested out of the ground. Let's look at this right here. Let's see what this is. growingdallas.org. All right. So now let's go in here. Ooh. I'm gonna go in here. This is a greenhouse right here. Looks as though they're not using it right now. Pretty sure in the winter this is where all the action happens. Okay, so we're gonna walk over here to another garden. This one, it says, "Welcome to Just Greens." There we go. Got the focus. North Texas Food Bank. They're a member of North Texas Food Bank, growing for food. So let's walk down here a little bit and see what they. Ooh. They have a nice assortment of big tomatoes. Wow. Oh, I missed out on the growing season on tomatoes. Maybe not. But look at them. So they have a very good setup. It's nice and clean. You can walk right down through here. You can walk right down through there. More tomatoes over here. These are different type of tomatoes right here. Let's look at what type of organic. Natural organic supplement for top dressing lawns and planting beds, ready to use. May have to check into that. Can't remember what this actual vegetable is. Sometimes I can usually tell just by the look of it, but can't tell on that one. Oh, got some peppers. Big peppers too. Look at that right there. Nice big peppers. It looks like they have soaker hoses down here. They're using soaker hoses. I believe right back here they have grapes. This is a grapevine back here. Yep, grapevine, but they're not ready yet. The grapes, pretty. They look really good when the sun hitting them. Look at all those back in there. Just big clumps and clumps of grapes. Nothing like having your own food, growing your own food. You have a much better appreciation for it. So we're gonna walk back up here. This is right in the city. I'm not in the country somewhere. This is right in the city. Community/urban gardening. Let's see if I can set this back up somewhere. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Men and women, girls and guys. Not too hot out here right now. There's a little breeze underneath this shade tree. Trying to catch my breath here. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. I got some more great content coming. It would be great if I can get over here when people are over here, you know, and we can do some question and answers, you know, and some interviews. That'd be awesome. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the notification button. If you don't know how to subscribe, just hit the little red button right underneath the screen. Or at the end of this video, there's a little clock that's gonna come on the screen. Click that clock, it'll take you right to the subscription channel. Thank y'all. Stay cool. Peace.